Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall WhatsApp on Android 2025. Let's begin. First, you want to navigate into your WhatsApp application. Then you want to press and hold it. You can move it around, and as you can see, a little uninstall should appear. However, on some devices this may not work. I am currently on Google Pixel, and on, for example, Realme, this might be a little bit different. So a universal way to uninstall any kind of application, in our case WhatsApp, we want to press and hold it, go to App Info, or alternatively, you can go to your settings, then you want to head into your Then you want to head into your apps, then head into see all 80 apps, and then you want to locate your WhatsApp right here. And as you can see, we have this big uninstall button. We need to only click on it. Now let's hit OK, and WhatsApp is successfully uninstalled. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.